Hello. What is
It's
this?
another bright and sunny morning.
Aha!
Harvester and tractor are ready to start
What
working.
are you doing? Wow. Yeah!
The tomatoes are ripe and the carrots are ready too. Let's harvest together.
Okay. Wow. Come here. Who is next?
Tractor.
Let's go.
Tractor attaches its trailer and heads
What
out.
is this? Oh my God.
Oh no! There's a big nail on the road.
Oh no!
Don't do that.
Pop! The tractor's tire goes flat.
Dump truck.
Dump truck comes to help. It uses pliers to pull out the nail.
Amazing.
Patches the hole.
Bravo. Open. I like it. Wow, it's a nice slide.
And
Good
pumps
job.
in new air.
I like it.
The
It's a
tire is fixed.
disappear.
Thank you very much.
Let's go. Yeah. Come here.
Now the harvester starts collecting the carrots.
It's my time.
But wait!
Uh-oh!
No! There's a big rock in the field. Bang! The harvester hits it and breaks its cutting blade.
Help me! Help me!
Crane truck and tow truck hurry to help.
Here we go!
Crane truck.
They take the harvester to the
Look
repair
at
shop.
this. Okay, let's go. Wow! What's next?
Tow truck.
Yeah! Good job.
First, they hammer the bent part straight.
It's a disappear.
Then use a wrench to fix the cutting blades.
Nice. It's my time. Very nice. It's amazing. Look at this.
All done.
Thank you very
Harvester.
much.
Come here.
The harvester is ready to
I
work
got it.
again.
It's so nice.
Tomato. Carrot.
Very nice. Yeah! I got it. What's next? Come here.
Fresh carrots and tomatoes are loaded on the tractor and delivered to the store.
Transformation! Yeah!
What a wonderful day of teamwork and helping each other.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.